What up, everybody? John and Nick here playing some more World of Warships. Nick, you need to save me.
That's right. That's right, I'm back.
Maybe that's why I lost so badly in the other three, because I didn't have you there to protect me.
I don't know, it's not like we were doing all that great
I mean,
before
better than
either.
the last time.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, man, yesterday, 15 minutes total, if that.
Yeah.
I mean, even in the battleship, I just got destroyed.
Ugh.
And then I tried to take the destroyer out for a run, and I think I got a hit on someone, and they just destroyed me. The cruiser I was out and playing around in, and a battleship lobbed off a volley. I had over 3/4 health, and his volley citadeled multiple times, and one volley destroyed me.
Ugh.
I cried a
It's
little
like
inside.
we got some tier 8 battleships,
Oh, goody.
right? What
No, tier 8 cruisers. Yeah,
Oh,
tier
those
8
are
cruisers,
cruisers?
and then a 7 battleship, so
okay,
cruisers, we need to watch ourselves.
yeah.
Battle starts.
So if you see the name Baltimore or Edinburgh, just hammer them and run. Where do you want to go?
Um, let's head to east. Let's go to that gap. Maybe it'll be enough of a bottleneck with our team there that
Good luck, everyone.
Sounds good.
we can just pick them off.
Swinging hard
afraid
to
to go.
port.
West
Starboard.
is way too wide open. I feel
Oh,
like
yeah.
we always get ripped apart when we go those ways.
So true.
Um, what was? Oh yeah. What rounds are you first?
I'm rocking HE right now. When I get close enough, I'll switch over to armor piercing. But I at least want to light whoever we're hitting on fire a couple times before I start trying to do citadels. Because I never do well with citadels.
I was thinking about doing the same.
Oh yeah, I should probably drop my speed a little so I don't outrun you.
Oh, I went 3/4 speed because nobody on our team seems to be moving but the destroyers.
Got it. I'm already detected.
There's planes behind us.
Oh,
Bayer
there he
just
is.
Came into view.
Oh, it's the
Got some
destroyer.
speed. Yanni.
Ooh, I already lit the destroyer on fire.
Good. I have no shot on it yet.
I actually
And
got a
it
couple of good
disappeared
volleys
right as I
on him.
come around the rock.
Where is he at?
May want to slow down before we aren't paying attention and run right into that Bayern.
Yeah. We got another destroyer dead ahead.
Yeah, I was just about to fire at that guy. I don't normally overlead the. Whoops.
Looks like he stopped. He's slowly backing up.
Yeah. Oh, he just came back into view on my screen. Everybody's phasing in and out of my vision. 1 second they're there, the next second the smoke's blocking them.
Oh, I know, right? I'm having that same problem. I might actually be able to hit this guy. Ooh, might be able to hit that battleship that's out there.
Mark the allied target. Teammate, I need torpedoes direct front.
You are able to hit the battleship?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess I might be able to too.
Oop,
I didn't
oop.
even try. I
Oh.
assumed.
All mine just nailed the mountain. I'm swinging up in front of you.
Alright, I'm only going not even quarter speed yet, so.
Of course, one of them still hits. We just lost our destroyer.
Yeah. Main turret. Since we don't have much other support, you want to just keep moving on.
Yeah.
We go around the rock towards the Icarus there, where our Edinburgh and Lightning are.
Actually, I think we should try and hold this area just to at least fend off anybody trying to move in, because there is that destroyer just hanging out over there. He's got us marked.
Yeah.
Ooh, hello. Shots are being
Guns.
lobbed.
I can see where they're coming from. He's in that little Christmas town back there. I just, he's smoked out, so.
Swinging my guns around.
I'm on fire. I got 48 seconds before I can stop it. Or do repairs stop it, or does healing stop it?
I'm not sure.
Repairs.
Ooh.
Udioni's moving in. He's running armor piercing. Well, I'm not gonna make it.
I'm hammering at him.
Oh, the fire burned out by itself. I'm gonna turn back momentarily and then hopefully come back around if I survive.
Got it.
Oh yeah, I might not survive. Oh no, engine damage.
Oof.
4 seconds to repair. I don't have enough.
Oh, I was
think,
not paying attention.
Another well-placed volley and I'm done.
Swing my ship around. You still alive?
Yeah, my plan worked. They quit shooting at me as much.
Good.
Yeah, and my rear cannons, I don't know if the battleships are like this or if I'm just not used to the cruiser entirely, but my rear guns face all the way backwards, so I could have been returning through that whole time. Swinging back around.
Come on. Hit him.
And however,
The ship is on fire. Problem solved, sir.
Ooh. Oh, I need to get out of here.
The ship is on fire.
I'm not gonna be able to live. They
oh,
they
I
disabled
got
my
him.
steering and
I
I'm
got
on
the-
fire.
The fire will burn itself out. Apparently. And steering, you might have a problem.
I was gonna say I think I'll have a problem regardless because I'm on fire and I'm dwindling in health and it's literally directing me right at all these guys.
My guns are now just getting sighted on them, so.
Oop, I'm dead.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I was too late.
Oh, you're good. Just stay alive.
Not that I'm in a much better position either.
Yeah, I would get out of there.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking.
2
Oh,
battleships and a
there he-
cruiser.
Where did this guy come from? This Aoba. I'm dead.
Ooh. Yeah, you are. Holy cow.
I didn't even know there was an Aoba over there. He's almost dead. He must have been fighting our guys behind the island over there.
Yeah, I don't know where the heck he came from. Definitely surprised us. Alright, well, back to port. Let's bring out the battleships.
Oh, and to rub salt in the wound of my defeat, I got torpedoed as my ship was sinking.
Oh. That's just rude.
Yeah.
Alright, the Bayern is up and ready.
Still loading.
Okay.
Unless. There we go. Ready.
Alright, let's start the battle.
There was a rumor of an active shooter in Ferndale the other day, and apparently it was just a false alarm.
Dang.
But yeah, but I, not knowing yet that it was a false alarm, the next day I went to read the news to see what the deal was,
Uh-huh.
and like one of the first headlines was about an invasive snail species in one of the lakes.
Oh, good lord.
And I was like, really? Invasive snails took the took the spot above active shooter? And that's when I was like, the active shooter must not have been real.
Yeah. Yeah, I would come to that conclusion as well.
Yeah, I got, from what I've been able to gather, there was a false alarm at the bank on one of the banks on Main Street,
Dang.
and yeah, at least nobody was hurt.
Yeah, true.
Your options are B or C. Am I just not seeing A? Oh, they're A. The B and C are neutralized. I'm just blind. I can't. You want to go to Bravo?
Yeah, we'll go to Bravo. Alright. What are we going to be working with? Alright, so see Massachusetts, run.
Taco Bell was giving out free coupon. Well, they weren't free coupons. They were coupons for a free taco or medium soda.
Ooh.
And all you had to do was donate $1 to their foundation. I decided why not. I go through momentary spurts of not caring about donating $1.
Oh, yeah.
And then I got given a coupon from somebody who said they probably wouldn't redeem it anyways. So yesterday I went and got a 5-layer beefy burrito, a crunchy taco, and a medium Baja Blast. It only cost me like
Ooh.
$2.56 or something like that. Can't remember exactly what it was.
Oh, that
But
sounds
basically, I just paid
delicious.
for the, yeah, just paid for the burrito.
It's not bad at all.
No. And somehow, some way, I maybe helped somebody out by giving them $1.
Very true.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of destroyers in there.
I think, oh, whoops, that's not gonna hit him. I didn't even, so last time I led the destroyer way too much, and this time I didn't even lead it at all. I just fired at it. We could probably just sit here and just move when we start taking aggro.
That's true.
I got lots of reach into that zone. They have almost zero cover, so it's just a matter of being able to see him. There he is.
I think I overlet him. Oh. And now I'm not gonna. Oh, 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 oh. Oh.
Dang.
Every shot went around that guy.
I was shooting kind of around him because I could see he was turning, but he was going a lot slower than I thought he would be. So.
Oh, were you taking out
He was
that
going
destroyer?
faster. Yeah.
Yeah,
So I
I'm
did
trying
the
to
same
hammer
thing
these
you did.
cruisers and guys out here.
Yeah, I gotta move up to get those cruisers. So.
Yeah, it looks like they're all running.
Well, yeah, I think half our team is over here, right?
Yeah, true. I don't think I let him enough.
And they're in the open
Drop.
ocean. They don't have any islands.
True. Oop, got a battleship.
I don't see it.
Yeah, I lost him. He disappeared. All of them did. Oh, there we go. That guy tagged him a couple times.
So far, the teams are pretty even. We both lost 2 destroyers.
Fired off a volley. Let's see if that hits. Oh. Only got one hit. Oh, oh. Didn't even realize that. There we go. Okay. I think I'm gonna push around the island.
Alright. Around, or are you gonna go through the islands?
Oh, I'm gonna go around. Because it looks like all of them have now
Okay.
scattered back towards A.
Alright. I was thinking about going through the islands, so maybe...
Go ahead. It looks like our destroyer's holding it down.
Yeah, maybe we could, if we draw their fire in 2 different directions,
Yep, that's what I'm thinking
then
too.
we might be able to, yeah.
Looks like our Amagi is also going through the islands as well.
Seeing that. Is that Pensacola and the Prince
Here we
Eugene just
go.
sitting there, or are they going your direction?
I'm not sure.
I think they're sitting there. I think I'm getting closer. Oh yeah.
No, they're moving.
So the Eugene
One of them's
is
following the
moving.
other guy.
Yeah.
Dang, they all ran.
Yeah. They went for Charlie there, looks like.
Yep. We
That
got a cruiser
Fuso
out
is
here
just out of
somewhere.
my range.
There we go. There
Oh,
he
I
is.
see him. And he's out of my range too. I gotta get through these islands. I can't hit anybody.
Ooh, I citadeled him.
Enemy severely damaged.
Okay. And they're firing at me now. What would be
Ooh, I
smarter?
got a hit
Alright,
on the Fuso.
here's what we're gonna do.
I lost visual on that cruiser you had out there.
Yeah, I did too. But the good news is
I'm
he
gonna
also
help
lost
these
visual
crew.
on me.
That's good. I'm gonna keep hitting this Fuso.
There he is.
Oh no, there's the cruiser. Okay, never mind. Disregard. Oh, so cruiser is still out there. But I'm hitting
Those
that way.
should hit. And I think he's gonna die after this. Oh, I citadeled him again and he's still alive. Dang, I got 2 citadels in one round. That never happens for me.
Oh, I'm taking fire. And I'm on fire.
Yeah, as soon as we can take this guy out. Actually, I'm
Oh,
gonna
I
leave
must
my
have hit the
cruisers do that.
cruiser. I got a hit. Oh, and I gotta remember I can repair on the battleship now. You got that cruiser, right?
Yeah, since apparently my teammates can't do it.
'Cause my guns aren't aimed that way.
Oh, I missed. Maybe they're gonna hit him. There we go. He's out.
Yeah, he's down.
Alright, I'm swinging back around and I'm coming
gonna-
up.
I was gonna keep going around the backside of this island towards A, while our team keeps hammering them from the front there. But it's up to you.
I think you're
I'll follow
closest to
your
help
lead.
out the Amagi. So I'd say go over to the right and try and help him out. Oh, I think you... Never
Alright.
mind, you won't be able to.
It's too late to turn
Alright,
now.
I'll do it. Yeah, and then
Alright.
stay behind the cruisers. Try and get them to
Yeah,
spot people for you.
yeah. I'm
That
dropping my
Amagi's starting to
speed.
get hammered by everybody. Swing back.
Our team did a really good job taking out their destroyers. Dang.
Yeah, no kidding. Our team's doing really well today.
Been playing it too safe. I only have 4 hits.
I've only got 5 hits. 2 of them were Citadels.
Oh, this island isn't my way. There we go. I've got sight on the Fuso. Switching to armor
Nice.
piercing. Now I'm up to 5 hits.
Holy cow. The Amagi just wrecked that cruiser.
Good.
He just came around the corner and unloaded into him. I would hate to be that
Fuso
guy.
is in full retreat.
And he's probably trying to hide so he can rebuild his health.
I think that's exactly what he's doing. He just ducked behind that island. Massachusetts is firing. At the Prince Eugene. I'm going back up to full speed. You're still cutting through
Yep.
to the Amagi. So I got both the
Uh,
cruisers with me.
I was gonna go to the Amagi, but oh, doesn't matter.
Oh,
We won.
we won.
Holy cow, we
Say
actually
won,
won.
Lost. My screen just like, oh there it is. Just taking its time. I thought it froze. I got 8 hits.
Finally a win. I got 5 hits, 2 Citadels.
Right on.
Alright, I
Mine
think
were
that's
just
going to be the end of
regular
the
hits.
video. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.